не надо уже, они зовут.
Или спереди.
Вот так хорошо.
Вот так хорошо.
Look at me. Look at me. I'm the captain now.
Tell him it's about 20 seconds of him staying here while his music is on.
Шара, когда музыка? Когда музыка заиграет... Нет, когда музыка заиграет, ты 20 секунд стоишь, не сразу идешь.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are set to go with our next fight tonight. 3 rounds, this in the UFC middleweight division. Introducing to you first, fighting out of the blue corner. This mixed martial artist is 6 feet, 3 inches tall. Weighing in officially 185 and 1/2 pounds. In 25 professional fights, his record stands at 22 victories. The 3 division